All right, everyone, looks like it's that time of the month again. I can't believe it. I feel like we just did this video yesterday. And I was at my local Woodcraft today and I found this. So let's get in to see what Woodcraft has in store for us for December 2025. First things up is our gift to you. $10 off your purchase of $25 or more with an asterisk, which means valid on the purchase of in-stock regularly priced merchandise. Excludes gift cards, power tools, Lee & Porter cable jigs, Freud, Festool, SawStop, Grex, Oneida, CNC machines, Tormek, Bosch, Worksharp, Schobergs, Shaper, X-Tool, Boardfoot Lumber, Select Craig's Tools. Well, what is left? Usually on most months, there'll be a couple days when Woodcraft will offer $10 off a $40 purchase or greater. In this particular case, it'll be for most of the month of December, from December 2nd to December 24th. So if you limit your purchase at $25, you get an effective 40% discount. I'm going to say this because I hope Woodcraft might consider changing their approach in the future, but let's say you have these discounts and you go to a place like Harbor Freight. When Harbor Freight offers a discount, you really kind of can go in, use the discount, come back another day, use the discount again. However, in the case of Woodcraft, they do record that to your account and they limit you to only one transaction. You know, if you left it open for the entire month, we'd probably buy more. Also on the front page is the new tool, the Craig 20-volt Ionic Drive Rebel Pocket Hole Joiner Kit for $299.99, which is $50 off. Now, when this tool was introduced in October 2025, the Craig Rebel had two different price points. There was the tool only for $299.99, and then there was the tool with the charger and battery for $249.99. This kit is the battery and charger version. So if you've been thinking about getting the Craig Rebel, this is probably the deal that you want to grab. Now, this particular deal, from what I saw on a card at the store, through the end of January 2026. So you've got a little bit of time. You don't necessarily need to feel pressure to buy it right away. I was hoping there might be some other deals on the Craig tool because I think the best tool that Craig has to offer right now is something that pocket hole enthusiasts I think will find useful, and that's their impact driver, which has this feature where if you put it into automatic mode and you're trying to retract your screw, it does this pulsing action that actually helps to prevent you from stripping out your heads. Craig, give us some more discounts. Encourage us to buy more. Let's move on into the inside page, and it says here, free 2025 edition Woodcraft drop point pocket knife with $75 gift card purchase, normally $19.99, so you get a little bit of a discount there. So if you're gonna buy gifts for your loved ones and you wanna give them a gift card, this is a way to get a knife for yourself. Or you can buy the gift card, give that to someone, give them the knife on top of it, be really super generous, or even better yet, you can buy the gift card, take that knife, gift it to somebody else, and you get two gifts with one stone. And it looks like this month we've got a lot of knives. Wow, a lot of knives. There's 25% off the Camillus Oakham Liner Lock Pocket Knife Kit, $20.99, down from $27.99. And then you've got up to $23 off your choice of Wood River knife kits. There's a 2¼ fixed blade Skinner, 3-inch fixed blade drop point, 4¼ fixed blade spear point, 6⅛ fixed blade Tonto point. Wow, there's a lot of points going on here. And then 20% off the Zen 66 layer Damascus and stainless steel kitchen knife kits. So if you're looking for kitchen knives, this might be a great way to get into them. They have the Nakiri $66.39, down from $82.99. They have a serrated bread knife $21.59, down from $26.99. A chef's knife $67.19 from $83.99. A Perry knife at $23.19, down from $28.99. And a Santoku, which is actually one of my favorite knives. This one is $37.59, down from $46.99. Now, of course, one of the things you got to keep in mind is if you're buying these, you do need to create the handles for them. But all you need is a couple pieces of wood, slap them on there, shape them up, and put a little finish on it. And then you can either use them for yourself or give them as gifts. Other gifts you might be able to give out, stainless steel bottle stopper and bottle opener turning kits, starting at $8,049, and you could save up to $5 if you're buying the stuff that's normally $29.99. You'll get that for $24.99, and you can see the different ones there. There's a cone stand-up, hourglass, cone tip, teardrop, stand-up bottle opener, so some interesting stuff there. Moving down, there's the Wood River solid brass bell turning kit, two different sizes, starting at $7.99, 2 3/16, 2 15/16 for $13.99. I don't know exactly what that means in difference, but maybe that's kind of interesting, kind of cool little bell for Christmas. Wood River Hawk Point ice cream scoop turning kit, normally $27.99, 30% off at $19.59. The Wood River Brass Candle Holder Turning Kit, $6 off at $15.99. Wood River Pump and Grind Pepper Mill Turning Kit, 40% off at $10.79. Now, you know cutting boards are all the rage, so Woodcraft has you covered. They've got the Roadrunner Cutting Board Kit that's made with Canalete, Kimboto, Maple, and Wenge, so a lot of nice exotic woods there for you. 40% off at $23.99. It's really one of the easiest ways to make cutting boards. They've already got it fully dimensioned, S4S, and then they cut them into the right shapes. All you really have to do is lay down some glue on the joints, clamp it up, clean it up after, sand it maybe just a little bit, and then put a finish on it, and you're pretty much golden. And then people will love you for it. All right, moving right along, we've got a new product, the RoboTime 3D Puzzle Kits. Purple Mouth Orchid, Orange Tulip, Pink Lily, Red Rose, Blossom Cart, Ocean Fisher, Sky Captain, Marble Spaceport, I don't know what that is, Marble Spacepoint, Marble Run Link Pack, oh, sounds crazy. They also have 20% off the Row Life Kathy's Flower House Model Kit, $34.39. The RoboTime Owl Clock Kit, oh, that's cool, $39.99, 20% off. What else we got here? There, oh, if you're looking for a little bit of a stocking stuffer, I think this Wood River 5-inch foam hook and loop sanding block for $7, which is 50% off. That's a nice little piece of kit. I've got something very similar to that. You just take a 5-inch abrasive, wrap it around the foam pad, and then you can use that to do some sanding. Since it's made of foam, it has a little bit of flex, so it's not totally too hard, and you can get a little bit of contouring with it. If you're into pen turning, they have Wood River European style pen kits, 25% off, starting at $7.49. The roller clips, they got ball points, they've got it with different finishes, gold, copper, platinum, black cap, satin nickel, black titanium, and then of course the fountain screw cap is the most expensive at $15. Oh, this is kind of interesting. They've got the File 6-piece carving tool palm handled set C, 6-piece set, $40 off, $142.99. Then they have a $15 discount on the Flex Cut 5-piece beginner's palm-handled carving tool set at $91.95. If you're looking for chisels, they got the Narex 5-piece Richter beveled edge chisel set in a wood box, $40 off for $200. And if that's a little bit pricey for you, they've got $40 off the Wood River 6-piece bench chisel set at $72.99. Then if you want to do some cutting, they've got the Hotok 29-piece hobby knife set for $9.99, which is $15 off. And if you feel lazy, you don't want to make your own shooting board, you can get the Wood River shooting board for hand planes, $25 off at $129.99. And if you want to get the shooting board, you might need a hand plane to go with it. They've got the Wood River V3 number 5.5 bench hand plane, $70 off at $229.99. Which, you know, after buying Lee Nielsen, that seems like a fairly good price. If you need to make some wood threads, they have the Wood River kit starting at $42. After that, there's the Wood River self-squaring frame clamp, $15 off at $24.99. And then comes my favorite item. Every month, Woodcraft offers a Japanese pull saw on discount, and I've been buying every one, increasing my collection. So this month, they've got the number 400 razor saw crosscut with replaceable blade, 240 millimeter, 50% off at $22.49. If you need to put together miters, Wood River spring miter clamp set is 20% off at $61.59. One of the things I heard recently that's supposedly not very well known is the Pinnacle brand is actually manufactured for Wood River by woodpeckers. And we got the Pinnacle 24-inch Imperial Precision T-Square, $30 off at $99.99. And since all woodworkers need clamps, they've got the Wood River Quick Bar clamps in all the 5 different sizes, 25% off, starting at $13.49, all the way up to $22.49. Then they're also showing us the weekend sales. The weekend sales are happening from December 5th to 8th. If you're needing turning tools, they've got the Easy Wood tools, or all of them are going to be 15% off that weekend. Then the weekend after, oh, looks like the entirety of the Wood River line, anything labeled Wood River, is 20% off. Oh, that sounds like a cool deal. As you can see here on mine, they have the class list for Woodcraft of Baltimore, which is my local store, but all the stores have their own schedules printed on them. Have a look at the upcoming classes. I find that my local Woodcraft offers a lot of great classes, so there's a lot of stuff that you can learn out there, and I take a couple of classes a year, and I really find it to be very enjoyable. Lots of great instructors, so definitely worth your time and effort to expand your knowledge in the craft. So now we're on the 3rd page or 4th page or whatever page. I feel like this particular flyer is more chock full of deals than previous months. If you need an apron, they have the ReadyWear 16-ounce wax canvas 12-pocket tool apron, 26.5 inches in length, 20% off at $52. And if you find yourself like me losing your ability to see, they have the Core Light Cyclops 2 rechargeable headlamp, $11.99, which is $8 off. Next up is the Sharp Ball 3-piece credit card diamond stone set for $22.49, which gives you 25% 20% off. Then the Sharpall Face-Off Dual Grit Diamond Tool Sharpener, $15.99, also 20% off. Also from Ready Wares is the 18 Pocket Tool Roll 20-ounce wax canvas, 26.5 by 14.5, 20% off at $34.39. And if you're like me, you got a lot of router bits lying around, you might need this Wood River router bit storage case, 30% off at $34.99. And if you don't have depth gauges, why do you not have depth gauges? You need depth gauges. It always helps you to figure out the right depth for your cutting. 50% off the Wood River for both saw and routers. Each of them are now $4.99, $5 for depth gauges. Like, there's no reason why you shouldn't have this if you don't have one now. This month, Woodcraft is promoting a new item that they started carrying, the Woodpeckers Big Woodworking Caliper Deluxe Sets. And these are huge calipers. I almost bought one actually in September during one of their sales. I never really have a need to use calipers beyond 12 inches. But I think if you do need calipers, if you do need to like precisely measure large width, these are actually really nice. And they also have this little thing that you attach to it so that if you have holes, you can accurately measure from the centers of those holes. Perhaps one of the biggest reasons I wanted to get one because I think it would look cool on the wall. Speaking of calipers, they've got the eye-gauging 6-inch fractional dial caliper, 30% off at $31.49. If you want to get a little more jiggy with it, they've got the Wixie dual display fractional digital calipers, 25% off at $44.99. Now, if you found the Sharpall credit card size diamond stones were too small, they've got the Wood River diamond stone set that comes with 400, 600, and 1,000 grit, $40 off at $59.99. And if you've been reticent on stocking up on CA glue, they've got the Weldwood 4-ounce instant wood adhesive, which I think that's CA glue, isn't it? Maybe it's not. Whatever it is, 4-ounce instant wood adhesive, $5 off, $7.99. Oh, this is something I might consider buying. They've got $25 off the Wood River Deluxe Taper Jig, $74.99. After that is the Craig Drawer Slide Installation Jig, $5 off at $27.99. And the Craig Cabinet Hardware Drilling Jig, also $5 off, $27.99 as well. In a case of rare occurrences, we've got the Woodpeckers Auto Line Drill Guide, $30 off at $279.99. If you're looking for the Woodpeckers Drill Guide, this is probably a good deal to get. However, at $280, if you're a Festool person, the MB40 is actually cheaper. Whew. Man, there's still some more. So now we've got some wood that's on sale. Bolivian coffee wood is down 40%. Purple Heart is down 40%. Wenge is down 40%. You know, if you're looking for some of these Purple Hearts and Wenge, these are actually pretty darn good deals. Remember that everything that Woodcraft sells is S4S lumber. It's pretty much ready to go once you get it. If you're looking for small quantities of exotics in small board sizes, these are really great ways to source it without having too much extra material and without spending a lot of money. Also 40% off is olive wood. You know, someone told me all the olive wood that's on the market is actually from old olive trees that are no longer fruit bearing, which means they're like 400 years old. Is this true? Like, if you know about this, would you put them in the comments and let me know? Because I'm curious to learn more about that. If you're a turner, they've got black walnut 4-packs, 2x2x12, 40% off for $15. Then there's also Movingi or Moving UI, 40% off at $16.79. If you need a shop hose, 12-foot for $20 off. The Flexhaust Universal Wet Dry Shop Vacuum Kit with some nozzles for $39.99. If you're a big Match Fit person, Microjig has the Match Fit Dovetail Track Hardware Variety Pack 2.0 with the purchase of 2 gripper to-go push blocks. So if you buy 2 gripper to-go push blocks for $30 each, you gotta buy 2 of them, they will give you the Match Fit Hardware Variety Pack, which is a $17 value for free. Then you can also save $20 off on a Microjig Match Fit Dovetail Fixture and Jig Clamp set with the purchase of a Match Fit Grid Routing Guide with 1/4-inch SH Relief and Dovetail Router bits. So the Grid Routing Guide and bits is basically, they give you these 2 bits. One is a thin, narrow bit, and then the other one's dovetail bit to fit their clamps. You'll use those to cut your grooves in whatever material you're trying to use and make your dovetail Microjig, Micro Match Fit grid, and then you can buy the dovetail clamps for $20 off, which is an okay deal. And Woodcraft, why did you not order the Match Fit 25th Anniversary Sustainer Special? If you're looking for a workbench, the Ramiya Finish It Yourself 1500 workbench is $100 off for $449.99. Next up is the Kutzall rotary burst sets. All of them are 20% off. Ooh, I could use that. I'm going to make good of that one, I think. The new Oliver Machinery 15-inch benchtop planer, 2.5 horsepower with HCX helical cutter heads and outfeed tables for $1,869.99. You can also get the universal adjustable stand for $219.99. Now, if you look at this Oliver planer, planer, it looks a lot like the DeWalt 735. However, this particular planer is one that I first heard about at the end of 2024. Supposed to come out early 2025. It didn't come out until way later in the year, and it came out at a price point quite a bit higher than it was originally announced. But I gotta say, if I wanted to upgrade from my 735 and still stay with a benchtop planer, this would be the one. This is 15-inch cutting width, 2.5 horsepower, 230 volt motor. The thing is a beast. It's got a Wixie digital readout built into it. There's so many features that all are packed into it that just makes it so much more attractive than a 735, and maybe even rivals some of the floor standing models. If you've been thinking about getting a JSM router table, this might be the time. They got 15% off the Weekend Warrior router table package for $535.49, and it includes a steel router stand, router top, and router fence. I mean, JSM makes really nice quality products. It's going to be robust, and you know, Canadians, they do a good job with that kind of thing. But it doesn't include the Master Lift 2, which is something you definitely want to get. Woodcraft now has bow products on sale. Save 20% on the bow products extender for bandsaw and table saw. The 36, the 46, and the XT feed supports. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Also, they've got 20% off all the other bow products, which is a 2-piece Fence Pro featherboard, got that. Portable saw featherboard, got that. Guide Pro featherboard, ooh, I need that for my bandsaw. And the Push Pro push stick, got that too. And Woodcraft, I noticed at some of the locations, they have the short one on display. Why are you not selling this? This is the one that I wanted. I've been wanting this ever since I first saw it. Stock this, please. Next up is the Ihoma 7.5-inch track clamp with screw handle. These track clamps are very similar to the Match Fit as well as the Festool. Since they're 20% off and $15.99, I probably will buy a couple. Then if you're looking for a scroll saw to do double bevel marquetry, they have the King Industrial 22-inch professional scroll saw. And from what I've been told, the King Industrial are the old Excaliburs, which are some of the gold standards in scroll saws. This one is now $449, and you can get the $100 stand for free. Oh, nice. Then they have a special with SawStop. Buy any new SawStop table saw and get a credit for use on the SawStop web store. And the asterisk says manufacturer's mail-in offer valid through 12/31/25. Excludes mobile bases and brake cartridges. Like the two most popular things that you want to buy with your big SawStop table saw, the ICS industrial base and additional brakes so that you can be a little bit foolish with your saw. You're excluding that? Really? What am I supposed to get, the slider that's like too far away? But if you're in the market for a SawStop, this might be a way to go. And it looks like that's it for December 2025. Go down to your local Woodcraft, or you can order this stuff online. All the sale prices start on December 1st. So I hope this helps, and see you next time.